Welcome to the quick start guide for the SoFi Bicolor Light for mobile with magnetic mount. In the box, the SoFi comes with a MagSafe magnetic adapter, a Type-C charging cable, and a pouch. Press the power switch to turn on the light. Gently rotate the LM dial to modify the light intensity. Gently rotate the CCT dial to modify the color temperature. Press the boost button to deliver 5-watt output for 30 seconds. It also comes with a built-in foldable mirror for makeup. Capable of 360 horizontal rotation and 180-degree vertical folding. Strong magnetic instant adhesion, which is safe and reliable. Can be used with the included MagSafe magnetic adapter. Attach the MagSafe magnetic adapter to the back of the device. Flexible extension and rotation provide more angles for lighting, so you always can be seen in your best light. The Sol 5 can also be used as a phone stand, whether portrait or horizontal. Use the exclusive Softbox to achieve softer facial lighting. Use the Harlowe Tabletop Tripod to offer more angles for meetings, vlog shooting, and other scenarios. Connect with a Type-C charging cable and use an adapter with a power output of 5 watts or higher to charge the Sol 5. A full charge will be achieved in 2 hours when the charging indicator light turns green.